Hey everyone, I am sitting in this beautiful 2025 Ford Expedition. This is Jason Gillette here, loving to give you another Ford vehicle tip. So in the new 2025 Ford Expedition, we've got to learn some things. One of the things we need to learn is where to put this key fob if the battery dies, because to start the vehicle, it will not start if we don't have a battery in this key fob unless we place this in a specific location. And where that location is right under here. You take this little tab, you pull it up, and there is a spot to put your key fob. So making contact with this and that spot will allow the vehicle to start even if there's no battery in this. Now, the other thing I want to explain in this video is how to pull your door key code. They used to give you in your glove box by your owner's manual a little card with a 5-digit code. Ford has stopped sending those, and now you need to pull your own code, which is awesome. It's not that hard to do. You do need both of your keys, or you're going to have to visit a Ford dealer and they can pull the code using their software. So all we do to pull the code is we put the first key in that little spot. Then we press the start button. We wait 5 seconds, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we turn it off. We pull that key out. We take the other key, which you can see I have a tag on it so I can differentiate, put it in there, press the start button, and now we simply wait. And then up on this display right here is now the factory keypad code. So that is how you pull your door code. Now you know what I know. I am loving the new Expedition, the style of this, the Google interface, everything about this is amazing. The shape of the steering wheel, love this. The center console, like look at that. This thing opens up. That's just really cool and useful. All kinds of storage down there too. So I hope this was informative for you guys. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, hit that bell icon. You'll be notified every time I make a video. And if you want to do me a huge favor, click subscribe. Thanks everyone, and have a great day.